Genesis 1 of 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. You hear that? Let me say it again. Heavens and the earth. The question here is there more than one heaven? As I just read, it says heavens, not heaven. It says earth because there's one earth. So I'm assuming that heaven would mean there's one heaven. But since it's plural, that means there's multiple. A quick Google search of is there more than one heaven in Christianity will show that there's 3 heavens. Pause to read. The Bible clearly states there are 3 heavens. First, the atmosphere. Second, starry space. And third, God's dwelling place. This states that the first heaven we learn about is in Isaiah 55 of 10, which says, "For as the rain and the snow come down from heaven and do not return, they are but water the earth, making it bring forth and sprout, giving seed to sower and bread to the eater." This is talking about the atmosphere surrounding our planet. Now, you might be thinking, how is this heaven? Usually when we think of heaven, we think of a big, magical place with God and all of our loved ones. So how can the atmosphere in our solar system count as a heaven? The answer to this question is, I do not know. How is the atmosphere connected to heaven? There's really nothing that tells us about this. On to the second heaven. It is stated that the third heaven is the heaven we all know and love, which is God's heaven. But this is what I found when I looked up the second heaven. According to this source, there can be up to 10 heavens, which is crazy. But we're going to stick to these 3 and not focus on the other 7 right now because that's just way too complicated. Alright guys, little disclaimer. I did not realize how hard this video was going to be to make. And I would have to talk about all 3 heavens plus 7 other ones. So I'm going to have to end this video right here and come back to it later. Stick out for part 2 and comment any suggestions you want. I'll literally do anything. I've got a lot of plans in mind. I really like talking about God. I'll talk about anything. I'll literally do anything. But I just had to say this to warn you guys and just be like, yeah, this is a really complicated video and really hard to make. I'm not educated enough to talk about it. But yeah, love you guys. See you guys tomorrow.